This is a church. This is not a market. I'm sorry, Mr. MC. Continue.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Reverend Father. Father, I will not commit any more sin. So I don't want to confess for long after we lay our brother to rest. And any sin that will be committed henceforth will be committed by the Honorable Beatrice Elachi. Beatrice Elachi will give us the last directions, pass the vote of thanks, and deliver us back to the church so that the last part of the prayers can be made. Welcome, Beatrice.
I'm sorry to talk so much. Please, our dear visitors, don't give money to anybody. Some people have given money within, outside, and it is causing the whole chaos you see outside. They have told me, whoever is giving money out, please no giving money.
Thank you, Father, for saving many. And on behalf of our speaker, Father, and the family of my friend Charles Ngondowere, I'll just give very few